Welcome back, YouTube family. Welcome. So today's video, we are going to be making some coffee to drink and as well as using it as a body scrub. We're going to be going in with the Starbucks Expresso roast grounds. And then we're going to be going in with Folgers. Now the reason why we're using both is just because I'm trying to finish out my Folgers because I'm almost done. And the espresso is just a little bit strong, so I wanted to mix the two. Then you see my coffee cup I'm going to be using. I'll leave in description where I got that coffee cup. Okay, so let's just get started. So I'm going to take the coffee pot and fill it up to about 6 ounces of water. And as I do that, I'm going to explain to you guys about the benefits of coffee. Coffee in general, the scrub, it adds glow to our skin, it makes us very youthful looking and radiant. So that's a plus. Here I'm just making sure I've got all the water inside. And then I'm going to add 2 scoops of the Folgers. And then a little bit of the espresso because it is very strong. You will be jittery all day. And yeah, you guys, coffee scrub is just really great all around. Really great. And I love it too because it reduces cellulite as well. And you know how we all feel about cellulite, y'all. Okay, so we're going to let that coffee brew. All right. And so that baby's brewing, as you see. Brewing. Okay, so it's all done. Woohoo! So then we're going to go and grab this filter. I believe that's the filter, the coffee filter. Yeah. Well, maybe, yeah. I'm going to call it a filter. And we're going to put that in a little bowl, glass bowl that I have. I'm just going to put it right there. Then I'm going to get a little plastic spoon and put it inside there as well, because we're going to be doing some mixing. Okay. Okay. So, as you guys see, I thought I was filming, so I had already made a batch. So, you're going to see me with a different type of filter looking one on the second round ago one. And then you guys going to actually get to see me film this one. But that's the first batch that I made. I'm going to go and you guys going to watch me see how I do it. So this is the completed one right here. Yeah, it looked like wet dirt, I know. So we're just going to scoop all that off of there. Make sure we get all of it in the bowl. And yeah, you guys, this coffee scrub also reduces inflammation. So if you are a person who suffers from inflammation, this would be really good. And it also helps improves your blood circulation as well. Okay, so we're going to just, spoon all that. Then we're going to start adding our products. So we're going to go in with some jojoba oil. And I'm just putting a little bit in. I'm not really keeping track as to how much I'm putting in. I'm just sightseeing. I'm doing it by eye. Then I'm going to go in with some vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is really good for the skin. It really smooths it and makes it look youthful. Then I'm going to go in with this Lavender Essential Oil. Lavender is really great for the skin as well. And then I'm going to go in with tea tree oil, essential oil. And then we're going to just scrub all that together because it's the good stuff. Made right from home, so you know what you got. And then I'm just going to add the first batch I did off camera because I thought I was filming. I'm just going to add it to that, I'm just going to add all of it together. Yes, I am. I'm going to add all of it together. What I really love about this coffee scrub is it really gets rid of the dead skin cells. Like, you notice a difference, like with your skin complexion right away. Just make sure you rub all that together. Yes, rub it all together, you guys. Yeah. Okay, so we are done. I'm just gonna go and show you guys again what I use. So I use the Folgers Coffeehouse. I use Starbucks Expresso Roast Dark. I use jojoba oil. I use vitamin E oil. I use tea tree oil. And I use a lavender oil. The lavender and tea tree are essential oils. And I'm going to take a sip of my coffee because I just love coffee. And we're going to move right on, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed how I make the scrub. Follow me. Next so here we are. We are about to start the application process. So you just scoop some, put it in your hand, rub it together, and rub it on your leg. Now this is thick ground, so it's not like fine. It's pretty thick, which is good because it helps you get rid of that dead skin cell. So as you guys can see, my legs are looking like it's making a difference already. The oils in there just help smooth the leg, and the coffee grounds just get rid of that dead skin, and all of it together just works smoothly. And I would recommend doing this 3 to 5 times a week to get best results. This is really good for like the backside of the human body, like your back, your butt, like stuff that we don't really get to exfoliate all the time. It's really great for that too. I really love the texture and the feeling, the consistency of it. Like, as you guys see the grounds on my towel, the great thing about that is it does not stick to the towel. Like, after I had got done, I literally just took the towel and dumped the grounds outside, and the towel was cleared off. So yeah, I mean, coffee body scrubs is really good. I mean, it's really great. It helps get rid of like sunspots, just dry skin. It helps, like I said, with blood circulation as well. It also makes your skin feel like softer and smoother. You just feel rejuvenated, like brand new skin, you guys. And I know y'all heard me mention Cell.U.Lift. It really helps reduce cellulite. And as you can see, when I first applied it, it instantly made my skin look radiant. It added glow to it. So that was really, really good. I like that about that. So you guys, don't just sip on coffee. Use the whole entire thing. Save your coins. Don't go out and buy no body scrub like I did yesterday. I'm still going to use that, but I was like, hey, coffee body scrub is really, really great. This is not my first time using coffee body scrub, but the first time that I used it, I had got it from Target, and whatever was in that body scrub made my skin itch to death. But when I did my own, I didn't have no itchy feeling at all whatsoever. So I don't know what was in that coffee scrub that made my skin itch really bad. But me doing my own, it just felt great. Like, I don't know. But I love that about that. So the next time you're thinking about buying a body scrub and you are a coffee drinker and a coffee lover, don't get rid of the grounds. I want to say it's either grinds or grounds. I don't know. Y'all know what I mean, though. Don't get rid of it. Use it for a scrub. Then y'all see me adding it on my arms and my elbows because my elbows really need it. It's very dry outside. We're bringing March in with a bang. Good skincare for the month of March. So then I'm going in with this Diaper Cloth Rag. And I'm using this to wipe off the coffee. Look at the rag. You can definitely see the brown from the coffee. But look how good my skin look. That is amazing. That is amazing. So when you apply it, you can leave it on for like 10-15 minutes before washing it off. But for the sake of the video, I just put it on and I showed you guys. But even that circular motion and rubbing it, that helps get the dead skin off. Coffee is a powerhouse of antioxidant properties, so it's really, really good. That's why you call Folgers the coffee house, but we're gonna call it the powerhouse. Yes, look at my skin, y'all. It looks really good already. Like, it's really, really good. And I'm really loving it. I'm really loving it. Okay, so then I'm going to be going in with my Nourishing whipped body butter. And this has sweet orange and peppermint oil in it. So this is what I'm using to moisturize my legs after the body scrub. You guys can use anything that's going to moisturize your legs, but I just decided to use a product that I personally make myself. The peppermint oil is really good because it's soothing and it's cooling and it just freshens up the skin. It helps with achiness as well. Then apply some on the other leg. And then in my Nourishing with body butter. I also have sweet orange in there, which is very calming and relaxing. Um, it's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, so it's really good. Even if you had got like a cut, it helps with that. So look at the results, man. Look at this. I'm just showing y'all some leg action right now because the coffee scrub got my legs looking good, and the Nourishing with body butter got them even looking even better. I'm just in love. I'm in love with my legs. And so I'm going to go in and use this Cell.U.Lift cream that I have. It's called Cell.U.Lift, and I'll leave in the description of the actual name. I know it says Cell.U.Lift, but it's from Image Skincare. But it helps with cellulite, to prevent cellulite. It helps reduces it. It's really great. And I'm just, more so I'm applying that on the back of my thighs because a lot of times I feel like that's probably where I carry more cellulite, will be in the back of my thighs. So then I'm just going to go add some more of my Nourishing with body butter on my arms and elbows because it needs that TLC, tender love and care for the skin. Yes.